Now, this right here, sir, are the endometrium. So you go through a cycle. So you see, when your body are prepared to get pregnant, it swell up. But it only supposed to swell up a little bit, right? So when your body are prepared for pregnancy, it swell up. And if you don't get pregnant, the body is going to return it to its normal size. And that is when you're going to see a period, right? So when you eat certain foods now, like milk, cheese, flaxseed, soy, and the list go on, when you eat certain food, they disrupt the function and the cycle, the communication we are going to go on right here, so it disrupt it. When you eat certain foods, it causes the endometrium to swell up too much. And then when it is time for your period now, your body have to bring back the endometrium to its normal size. You're going to have a whole heap of bleeding and a whole heap of cramps. Because the cramps you're feeling is your body's way of pushing out what it does not need anymore because you did not get pregnant. So, when you drink the dark blood now, worse if you put it with Alleghenian weed, when you drink the dark blood now, it make your endometrium that swell up so big because it goes through the body and it remove and clean up all of them toxins that will cause the problem. It's best to drink the dark blood before your period because that is how it helps. Because the less of these substances that cause the disruption and the overswelling of the endometrium, the less of it that is present in the body when a time for your period, the better your period come, the lighter the period, the less cramp you feel. Manalai.